How is it going everybody? This is... I've no idea what video we're on to. Hopefully the second last video. Rebuilding the escort. I'll quickly show you where we are. I've not really done much, but I'll quickly show you. I've got the front brakes are now bled up because we've got a new seal kit for this cylinder, which is obviously the front one, and I need another seal kit for the rear. For whatever reason, this one is when you pump it, it's turning into a vacuum and no returning fluid. Alistair reckons the seals are swollen up in it, and they're basically just blocking the wee return hole. So we've ordered another kit, hopefully that'll be here in the next couple of days. In the meantime, was fit my switch, because Alistair got me a switch, a three-way switch, which was surprisingly hard to get. I don't know why, but nobody at Autosport had them. I asked a good few people, nobody had a three-way switch. Only slightly annoying thing about this is, the toggle switch we've got is like the wee eyelets, it's screwing, and I've made all the wires with spade connectors. So I'm just going to cut them off and put on eyelets. But so as you can see, that's my toggle switch in, and that's my slow speed, I think. That's my fast speed. Mint. I'm happy with that. How was it going? This is another day. I think maybe 2 days since I filmed the last wee bit. We've got the seal kit in the day for the other cylinder, for the rear, so we've got to get that fitted. The seals are in it, I'm just going to get the cylinder on, and then Alistair's here, he's going to give me a hand to bleed up the brakes, and I'll show you my wheels. My wheels got painted today as well. Big Dave painted my wheels. It's the first thing he's painted.
Never, I done them. He done half of them, to be fair.
Big Dave painted them. He's never painted any before, so he was chuffed. He painted them, then Alistair done a bit.
He done it.
Aye, so I'll show you them in a minute as well. And the other thing I was wanting to address whilst Alistair's here is, you can be here for this, is I've been asked quite a lot lately in some of the videos about the RS500 under the cover because the nose it's sticking out.
Don't tell him about that, it's a secret.
Alistair's, it's one of Alistair's old race cars basically. It's just sitting there with a cover over it. We're
Special car.
Not using it for anything, we're not doing anything with it.
It's top secret. You shouldn't even been filming that. Have you been filming that?
Just because people's been asking about it lately, it's not doing anything, it's just sitting there. It's just an old race car of yours, isn't it, basically?
Well, Group A RS500. It's the one on top of it, it's an important one. That's a genuine Wolf RS500.
Aye, that's something maybe I've glanced to in videos, and never explaining anything. Should probably explain it now. Alistair is the god of cosworths, so
no, not so much.
Maybe
I wish I was.
Maybe I've just taken it for granted because I've been tripping with them for so many years, and then people are seeing the nose it and they're like, oh my god, there's an RS500. But that's it. That's the story basically. So we'll crack on, get this done, and I'll show you my wheels. So that's us bled up and bled up no bother, which was obviously just the seals. Alistair reckoned the old seals had swelled up in the cylinders, so we got new ones and literally taken 5 minutes. So that's obviously what the issue is. And Camel Motors here, that should be getting some work soon for Alistair to go. And my wheels, the same colours. Is it the same colours inside, more or less?
No, it's a colour. No. Browny grey.
I'm happy with them. The only thing we need to get is a wee race line sticker, just to be absolutely weird about it. I was thinking blue.
No, orange to match the car.
Can you get orange ones?
Aye.
Can you get orange ones? So I'm chuffed with that. So hopefully tomorrow I'll put these on, let the motor down, and take a picture for a thumbnail for this video. Basically, that's about it. But aye. I'll probably just put that in the end of this, just maybe sitting down on its wheels, and then I'll use it for a thumbnail, so thanks for that. that is the motor finally done its wheels. It's taken us just shy of 3 months to actually do everything to it. So when you think about what we've done, actually that's no bad considering we've extended the cage through into the front turrets, picked up on the rear subframe, made a rear strut brace all welded in, completely painted the car underneath, engine bay, inside, outside, fixed all the kit, painted the wheels obviously as well, rebuilt all the suspension with all new rose joints, completely rewired the full car. We've not used any of the standard loom, we've completely rewired everything. An AP Racing pedal box, we've got the R&D dog box, and a load of other stuff as well. I can't remember off the top of my head, but there's been a load of other stuff done as well obviously. So it's actually no bad considering it's just under 3 months from its last race. So I'll do a wee quick walk around the now, but you'll obviously can't see it as good in here. I'm hoping for the next video I'll be able to have everything emptied, take it out, take it a wee drive, make sure everything's feeling good. And there's a yard down the Boatmuir estate with a load of scrap cars in it, so I think it would be quite good to put it down there and get some photos down there, just with that as a background. I think that would look really good, so I'll probably do that in the next video and just generally mess about with the only 2 things that are left to do is fix the boost controller and the AFR. For whatever reason the 2-day Monday working, I think I'm just going to need to get new ones, so I might need to do that. And then after that's done, it will be putting a sequential box into Alistair's Cosy. Great. It never stops, but I suppose it's always good. It's always good for you guys, it's always more videos. So I'll do a wee quick walk around the now and I might fire it up. In fact, I probably will fire it up just to finish the video for something I've missed for so long. Is with a dog box, when you go into gear you get the bang. I'll probably just fire it up and use that as an excuse to make sure the clutch clears. Apart from that, that's about it. It's basically there. So I hope you have enjoyed watching it getting rebuilt, and I'll give you a wee quick walk around the now. Oh, best sound ever when a dog box goes into gear. But anyway, thanks for watching, hope you have enjoyed the video and seen it running and ready to go again, so we'll be along to it soon.